What is the difference between vertical and horizontal heterogeneity? If we are taking a soil sample, we have to consider the heterogeneity of our field. So, if we see on this picture, some of the fields have different soil types. For example, here is a little bit sandy, here is a little bit more clay soil. So when we are taking a sample, we have to take the sample according to this heterogeneity, according to these zones. The soil has also a vertical heterogeneity. The variability is apparent in levels, that are the horizons. Soil horizon is a layer, parallel layer to the surface. So here. Soil horizon has also, every soil horizon has its own physical, chemical, biological characteristics which differ from the layer above and under. Most soils have three major horizons, A, B and C. A horizon is a top layer, mostly full with organic matter. B horizon is a subsoil, mostly the accumulation zone. And C horizon is the parent material. Every soil has different characteristics of soil horizons. Mostly, we are taking samples on the arable land from 0 to 30 centimeters. But as we saw, that the soil has also a vertical heterogeneity, and the roots of the plants can also go much deeper, and they can also take up nutrients from here. So, when we are taking a sample, it's worth to consider the vertical heterogeneity and also taking samples from the deeper layers.